Spider-Man.
Hi guys, good morning. Morning. Good afternoon. What you doing? Sino ba ako para tanungin yan sa inyo guys? Ano ba naman? So, today, Monday, walang pasok. I'm so happy. And a little bit of question, bakit walang pasok, diba? So, I got my new phone back, and focus ka, please. Okay. So, I got my new phone back, and I really promise you this Christmas break, I will be uploading a lot of videos. So, yeah. Wala pa akong video editor. Mag-download ba? So, naps. Nag-happy and nag-ano ko kanina na ice cream. You know, my favorite flavor is aray, ouch. My favorite flavor is cookies and cream, mango salted caramel, banoffee pie, Rocky Road, and double Dutch. Yun lang yung favorite favorite flavor ko ng ice cream. So I'm going to come back later. I don't know. Yeah, back later. Hi guys, I'm back. And that's my little brother. Nagawa pa ako ng intro kasi nawala yung isa kong intro. And I am so mad at myself. I'm so annoyed. So yun. Sorry, I'm not a professional vlog. Yan. So, I'm so sorry. So, my dress is like floral. Wow, floral, diba? Hashtag floral. Hashtag epic floral pala. So, yun. Nagpapaganda ng sarili. Ay, sana walang hater. Sorry, I'm just a little girl. How do you like my hair? There you go. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm not a professional vlogger. Ano ba yan? Dalawa pa lang. Aray! Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? One clip pa lang. Okay. Okay. I like ice cream. Ayun. I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Just sing a song. Okay. Okay. Bye. Where is she going? Wait lang. Ito yung tablet. Let's see. Tignan natin siya. Yun na ata siya. Okay. So, hindi daw kami bumili ng ice cream, pero bumili kami ng ice cream. Nagigitara siya. I don't know if you can hear, pero yun, nagigitara. Learning. Don't know what to do. Ayan. Ay, hindi ko na alam. Ano ba tong vlog na to? Gagawa ko, if you subscribe, and if you comment down below if you want to make, comment down below if you want me to make a TMI. Ano nga ba yung get to know me better. I'm just kidding, okay. If you want me to do doon ako napapatingin sa monitor ko. Kung gusto niyo gumawa ako ng 10 facts about myself. Okay? Okay. 3 minutes and 39 seconds. No, 40 seconds. 41, 42. Okay. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye muna. Okay? Bye-bye. Hindi pa mag-good night kasi hindi pa good night. Ayan yung araw. Uy, happy! Happy toothpaste! Let's go! Uy, kunin mo yung tablet mo. Doon tayo sa sala. Kakain tayo ng happy. Naman ay, ayun o. Okay, let's go! Ayan. Hapon na. Oh my goodness! Hindi ka na mahulog! Okay. Yeah, look at that, bro. Third plate number. I know that one. I know barbecue. Ay, Barbie. Sobrang taranta. Sabi ko, naglalako ng barbecue. Naglalako ng banana Q. At turon. Yan, Yakult. So, bye-bye, guys! Bye-bye muna. Aray ko. Yan, sige. Akala ko naka-stop. Sige, bye-bye muna. Bye-bye na pala. Bye-bye muna. Sige, gawa pa ako. Mag-film pa ako. In one day, meron ako 1 vlog and 1 film. So, yun. Bye-bye, guys. Bye, Anik. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ayan, nanonood pala kami na.
Pahatid na rin po kay nanay
Ano
mamaya.
ba to? Kalimutan ko, basta yun nanonood kami ng TV. Yan Bye-bye, guys. Bye-bye. Ito vlog Nanonood pa ako ng Kalye serye. Bye-bye.